Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, where we transform your living spaces into extraordinary environments. Today, we're delving into the world of outdoor living spaces, specifically focusing on the sophisticated and practical design of step-down decks. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. These unique structures offer a distinct aesthetic and functional advantage, creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living. Let's begin with the fundamentals. A step-down deck, as the name suggests, is a deck that is built at a lower elevation than the main level of your home. This difference in height is typically achieved through a set of steps leading down from a door or patio. This design element not only adds visual interest but also creates a defined outdoor room, enhancing the sense of space and providing a natural flow between indoor and outdoor areas. It's about creating a destination, not just an extension. Now, why would one opt for a step-down deck? The advantages are numerous. Firstly, it creates a more intimate and grounded outdoor space. The slight separation from the house offers a sense of seclusion and tranquility. Secondly, it can be particularly useful for homes with raised foundations or walkout basements, where a traditional deck might be too high off the ground. A step-down design allows for a more natural and graceful transition to the landscape. Finally, it adds architectural interest to the home's exterior, creating a dynamic and visually appealing facade. How should I decorate my step-down deck area to look good? Decorating a step-down deck involves careful consideration of scale, proportion, and flow. The key is to create a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. Begin by defining the space with outdoor rugs to anchor seating areas. Choose furniture that complements the architectural style of your home, opting for durable, weather-resistant materials. Incorporate potted plants and greenery to soften the edges and bring a touch of nature to the space. Lighting plays a crucial role. Consider string lights, lanterns, or strategically placed spotlights to create ambience and enhance safety. Remember, the goal is to create an extension of your indoor living space, reflecting your personal style and creating a comfortable and inviting environment. What are the best items for a step-down deck area? Selecting the right items for your step-down deck is essential for both aesthetics and functionality. Comfortable and durable outdoor furniture is paramount. Consider a combination of seating options, such as sofas, armchairs, and dining tables, depending on your intended use. Outdoor rugs are essential for defining zones and adding warmth. Planters of varying sizes add visual interest and bring life to the space. Outdoor lighting is crucial for both ambience and safety. Fire pits or outdoor fireplaces can create a focal point and extend the usability of the deck into cooler months. Finally, don't forget the details. Outdoor cushions, throws, and decorative accessories add personality and style. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best step-down deck design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Multi-level retreat. Incorporate multiple steps to create distinct zones for dining, lounging, and grilling. 2. Integrated planters. Build planters directly into the deck structure for a seamless and natural look. 3. Pergola-covered oasis. Add a pergola or awning for shade and create a more defined outdoor room. 4. Fire pit focal point. Center the design around a fire pit or outdoor fireplace for cozy gatherings. 5. Water feature accent. Incorporate a small water feature, such as a fountain or pond, for a tranquil atmosphere. 6. Built-in seating. Create built-in benches or seating areas for a more permanent and integrated feel. 7. String lighting magic. Use string lights to create a warm and inviting ambience, especially in the evenings. 8. Natural stone accents. Incorporate natural stone elements, such as pavers or retaining walls, for a rustic touch. 9. Glass railings. Use glass railings to maximize views and create a sleek, modern look. 10. Tropical paradise. Incorporate lush tropical plants and vibrant colors for a relaxing vacation vibe. A well-designed step-down deck can truly transform your outdoor living experience. By carefully considering the design elements, decorations, and essential items, you can create a beautiful and functional space that seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into step-down deck design. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more home design inspiration, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite step-down deck ideas. Thank you for watching. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.